Connection.
Join us in schools, libraries, bookshops and homes.
Anywhere where young people and stories come together.
For Empathy Lab's free digital festival.
Everyone's invited to jump into someone else's story.
And build connection through reading.
Stories connect us with ourselves, others, and the wider world.
Improving our happiness, strengthening our friendships,
and helping us all understand each other better.
Supercharge your empathy skills
by jumping into somebody else's story this June.
With a fantastic week of brand new Empathy Challenge activities.
And inspiring, on-demand and live author events for all ages.
Bring your community together through stories.
Jump into someone else's story.
In your home or your playground.
With your friends and family.
In your local library, bookshop or community centre.
And did you know scientific research shows that young people who are better at understanding others' emotions become stronger readers who enjoy reading more?
The world is more divided than ever.
But reading for empathy is one way we can all celebrate difference.
And create a kinder world.
Last year, over 800,000 young people joined our festival, and we hope even more of you will in 2026.
So let's jump into someone else's story together.
Let's connect with brilliant book characters and take action to make things better for everyone.
You can make a change, big or small.
Whose story will you jump into next?